Woohoo! Yeah! Hi guys, some of you may wonder how much tolerance things have, and we have a good example here. We have a new brake drum labeled as Piaggio. It is at least painted grey nicely, the others are not, and we do have a brand new gearbox drive shaft. So both parts are new. I want to show you how much tolerance it has. It is that much. A little bit closer. So there is some tolerance. Important thing is that when you put on the washer, the screw nut, tighten it with the torque key a little bit more from distance. How much tolerance does it have? It does have quite some. Jiggling a bit around, and another close-up. Yeah, it doesn't really show much, whatever. We have the torque key. It's set to 150 Newton. We put it in here. We can already, yeah, you see the wheel is turning. What we need now is the left hand goes on to the brake pedal. Push it down, and then you just tighten it. Woohoo! We did it. That's 150, and this is allowed because I make sure that the brake drum does not come loose, and that the toothing does not die. That should be enough. Where were we? There was something about here. There we go. Oops. So, how much tolerance do we have? Brake drum and the drive shaft. What is it? 0. Close up. This is behind the brake pad. This is fixed on the engine case. This is just fixed on the drive shaft with 150 Newton. We saw that before. You see? There is 0 tolerance. Okay, perhaps 0 point whatever. A little bit. But it is pretty tight.
Ein Biest!
Sorry, ja.
Bist du deppert, ist das ein Biest jetzt?
When the engine is open, you can do that on the other side. If the engine is closed, you just take a small screwdriver